Hey girl, welcome back to Her Glow Empire, your digital safe space for healing, glowing, and choosing you without shame. If you're new here, I'm Latoya Charmaine, and today we're talking about something I know a lot of us struggle with: how to show up for yourself without guilt. Because girl, when you've been the strong one, the fixer, the one who puts everyone else first, choosing you can feel like betrayal, but it's not. Sis, it's liberation. The guilt isn't your fault. Girl, let's be real. We were raised to believe that being a good woman means being selfless, always available, always saying yes, always pouring, even when your cup is bone dry. But here's the truth. You're not selfish for choosing rest. You're not wrong for creating boundaries. You're not a bad mom, friend, sister, or partner for needing space to breathe. You've just been conditioned to abandon yourself. But sis, not anymore. Showing up for you isn't a betrayal. It's a homecoming. What does showing up for you actually look like? It doesn't always mean bubble baths and spa days. Although, yes, please, for real. Showing up for yourself might look like saying no without explaining yourself. Taking your phone off, do not disturb, for you, not them. Eating what makes you feel good. Going to therapy, yes. Journaling, the truth that is, that you've been avoiding. Letting yourself cry in the shower instead of pretending you're fine. It's asking yourself, what do I need today? And actually honoring the answer. That's self-respect. That's power. That's peace. The root of guilt. Let's break this down, sis. That guilt you feel is not because you're doing something wrong. It's because you're doing something different. You're disrupting a pattern. You're breaking generational cycles. You're setting a new standard for your children, your inner child, and your future self. Yes, and it's definitely uncomfortable. But growth, girl, it always is. And girl, you don't owe anyone your depletion to feel worthy of love. You deserve to be your own safe space. Let me say this slow. You deserve to be your own safe space. Not just sometimes, not just when it's convenient. I mean every single day. You are allowed to choose peace over performance. You are allowed to rest without earning it. You are allowed to show up for you, even if no one else claps for you. Even if someone gets mad. Even if it feels messy. Because this version of you, the soft, healing, reclaiming her worth, you is worth showing up for. And sis, if this spoke to you, if it spoke to your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with another woman who's learning how to choose herself too. Drop a comment below. One way I'm choosing me this week is, let's hold each other accountable. And if you haven't already, grab my free ebook, Stop Chasing Men, Start Attracting What You Deserve. It's in the description below. Because sis, the glow up, it starts when you become the main character. So, until next time, take a deep breath and remember, you don't need permission to choose you. You are already enough.